First open Canva and go to Videos. Choose a blank canvas and go to Elements. In the search bar type Floral Background. Choose the 7th graphic element. Make sure it fills the entire canvas. Go to Photos and type Orange and choose the image of the orange slice. Reposition and resize your image. And put it in the center of the canvas. Tap on your image and go to Animate. Scroll to Rotate Animation. Increase the speed of your animation. Go to Uploads and bring your image to your canvas. Resize and reposition your image. Duplicate your frame. And decrease the size of your image in the second frame. Set your transition to match and move. Go to Text, choose your text box and type. Go to Effects and choose Shape. And choose the curve shape. Adjust the curve of your text. Reposition your text. Go to Animate. And choose Typewriter Effect. Duplicate your text and bring it to the right side of the canvas. Reposition and retype your text. This is the final results.